Real quick walk around. It's got the Doosan Fanuc HMI control. It's the newest, latest, and greatest. You can toggle between touchscreen and traditional mode. It's got a lot of new features packed into it, faster processing speeds, whatnot. Let's take a look at the spindle here. That's a Cat 40 dual contact, 12,000 RPM direct drive spindle with 300 PSI through spindle coolant and through spindle air. You can see the Renishaw receiver right there in the corner. It's a radio receiver, so it can go around corners and whatnot. You don't have to worry about an optical receiver with tombstones. There's pallet 1, and inside this box right here is where your tool setter probe is. I'm not going to open that right now, but you'll just have to trust me on that one. There's your chip auger, and there's another one on that side. Also, real quick, you got a portable jog handle. Comes with the machine. So those chip augers drive the chips out to this LNS MF2 conveyor right here. This thing filters down to 50 microns. And then as we walk around, you're going to see a spindle chiller. So that's a closed loop. It doesn't use coolant, it uses air oil. So you can cut wet, dry. It's always maintaining the thermal stability of the spindle. Let's take a look around the back here. So you believe I'm telling you it is what it is. That's a 60 tool magazine. So you can see it's a chain type magazine. We can load it from the rear. Here's our Pallets second setup station. And that's it, man.